The world in which we live in has changed more in the past 20 years than it has in the 100 years before it. Yet when we turn on our TV or read our newspaper or go online, we find the same old politics as usual. Politics as usual while people go on struggling and suffering. Politics as usual while people can't pay their mortgage or rent because they can't find a job. Politics as usual while our children continue to drop out of school. Politics as usual while some people receive unequal treatment more than other people in a land that is supposedly of the people, by the people, and for the people. I am the new model on the political showroom floor. I am not a politician. I am a humanitarian. I'm walking down the same roads you're walking on. Roads that should lead to high-paying jobs. Roads that should lead to better health care for our kids and senior citizens. Roads that should lead to a better education in our Florida schools. And ladies and gentlemen, all these roads leads us to Tallahassee. Now is the time to put a humanitarian in office. I am that humanitarian. You see, in this election, I have everything to lose and nothing to gain, except the respect of hard-working Floridians. My name is Ruben Anderson, and I want to be your next governor of Florida. You can find me at RubenAndersonForGovernor.com or follow me on Facebook, Ruben Anderson for Governor, and remember to hit like. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless Florida. I cannot change the world, and my goal is not to change the world. However, Howard Zinn said, many acts multiplied by millions of people can change the world. We only need to change Florida. Children's health care is on the top of my list. I will work hard to make sure that all of our children are covered, especially those who have been diagnosed with a blood disease or cancer or autism or Down syndrome or any type of depression. My first goal is to connect with the school board superintendents and the Department of Education. We will sit down and discuss their essential needs. What we can fix, we will fix. What we cannot fix, we will work together to find solutions to enhance our educational system. I will connect with the supervisor of elections and brainstorm about voter purging, increasing voting times, and delivering our voting results in a timely manner. Jobs are on the top of the list for Floridians. In the past 3 years, we have seen a 3% decrease in joblessness. However, there are still 665,000 Floridians out of jobs. My team and I will work hard to make sure that we attract and bring new businesses and jobs into this state. We know that lowering taxes and reducing regulations make a state business friendly. We will make Florida business friendly. Thank you. I love our environment, and I will do all that I can to keep Florida as natural as possible and our waterways safe and clean. One solution is for every county to revisit their dikes and their bridges and dams because most of them are in great need of repair. For example, the Herbert Hoover Dike is antiquated and is an accident waiting to happen. For decades, a Band-Aid has been put on this dike. I will plead with the President. I will plead with Washington and the Florida legislatures and the people of Florida to restore this dike to new and others just like it. You see, this is not a political ploy. This is reality for us. In Florida, we depend on our waterways being safe and clean so that tourism can continue to flow, so that our oyster beds and our manatees and our marine life can continue to strive, and most of all, so that we can enjoy the quality of life that only others dream of. Help me to help you keep Florida natural and our waterways clean. Thank you.
Mesdames et messieurs, salut. Non, moi c'est Succès Innocent. Moi c'est animateur principal de l'émission Vision Wendel sur réseau Radio Voix des Élus. Moi supporter candidature M. Ruben Anderson pour gouverneur de la Floride dans l'élection 2014. Raison de faire moi supporter M. Anderson, c'est parce que moi dans Anderson, il pourra servir un bridge ou bien un pont pour connecter la communauté haïtienne avec les autres communautés. Ruben Anderson, c'est un monde qui a un bon cœur et c'est un monde qui pourra travailler pour aider tout État Floride là à aller vers l'avant. Donc, je demande tout le monde qui gagne droit de voter, eh bien, dans l'élection pour gouverneur en Floride dans l'année 2014, pour sortir en foule à voter pour Ruben Anderson comme gouverneur. Alors, salut, moi c'est Succès Innocent. L'État de la Floride actuellement besoin d'un changement réel. Changement réel que m'a parlé là, c'est un changement qui t'a dû bénéficier toute petite Florida, quel que soit le thé noir, quel que soit le thé haïtien, quel que soit le thé blanc, quel que soit le thé hispanique. Donc c'est un changement qui doit bénéficier toute couche sociale en général. Donc pour nous capables d'un changement que m'a parlé là, eh bien nous avons besoin de sortir en foule à voter dans l'élection gouverneur 2014. Donc nous avons demandé pour voter intelligemment. À voter un monde qui a apporté un changement général. Un changement qui pourra bénéficier moi-même avec vous. Un changement qui pourra bénéficier eh bien, tout État en général. Donc c'est l'une des raisons qui fait notre mandat pour aller voter. Aller voter conscience ou voter un monde ou penser qui est capable de porter un changement général pour le pays. Donc alors pour l'État bien entendu. Donc nous demandons pour voter pour Ruben Anderson pour gouverneur de l'État de la Floride dans l'élection gouverneur 2014. Merci.
My name is Ruben Anderson, candidate for governor, non-party affiliation, and I approve this message.